What is up, guys? Today what we're going to be doing is trying out a new baitcaster that I bought, but first we have to unbox it. So Amazon's got this like new tape. It's like black with threads in it. It looks pretty tough, so I'd hate to use a knife and possibly cut through the tape and into my new reel. So instead what we're going to use is like 500,000 BTUs. This package sounds like they put like no bubble wrap around it, so I really hope that it didn't get damaged during the shipping process. So here's our tool to get that box open, hopefully. And I'm not kidding, guys. Definitely don't be trying this at home, okay? This is dangerous stuff. You could get hurt, so don't do it. I got the hose ready to go. She's right here. I already tested it. She's ready to rock and roll. Funky. A little bit better to see the flame there, but that's all right. I'd say that worked. Well, guys, I had to wait a second because the thing was so dang hot. I sprayed a little bit more water on it and gave it a couple minutes to cool off, so it should be cool enough to the touch now. The Shimano Curado 200. Looks nice, clean, brand new. I'm gonna get this thing all spooled up and on a rod here, and then we'll go and test it out. So I got it all spooled up here. What I did was I tied on a ½ ounce, just a steel weight here. I just want to get familiar with this because I've used bait casters before, but not recently, and I'm used to a spinning setup. So I'm gonna play around with this a little bit and try and get used to it. Hopefully not bird's nest it too much. All right, seems as though that's working fairly good. And the brakes, they came on number 3, so right there, it's a little dial from the outside. And I think that'll work to start. We might just kind of mess around with that here in a second. So, all right, let's give it a cast and see if we can't bird's nest it. Had to stop it there, got a little bit close to that tree. No bird's nest though, that's a good start. Nice thing about this little weight is should just pull right through the grass pretty easily, which seems as though it does. So see if we can get good distance out of it and then try and maximize it as well. Pretty long ways, is way down by the gardens over there. That's pretty sweet actually. I wonder what would happen if we just turn these brakes down just a little bit to like number 2. See what happens there. Shouldn't affect that, right? I don't know. Oh, dang. That casted a long ways. That gave me like 15 more feet, I think. Yeah, guys, I'm almost always using spinning setups for what I do, but I figured it was time to get into a bait caster and start exploring new stuff, so that's why we're out here practicing with it, because I'm not used to it. I've used them before, but never one of my own, so. Dang, that thing launches now. This thing definitely, it feels great in the hand though. It feels like very well balanced and light. Because I mean, I've taken like a ½ dozen casts now. I haven't got it too messed up here. I mean, I had a little bit of a bird's nest when I was messing with the spool tension here, but once I got it, it seems to have straightened itself out pretty quick. I'm thinking we'll get down to the water and tie something on. I'm not sure what I'm gonna throw. I'm pretty sure that you gotta use a little bit of a heavier bait with the bait casting setup. Look at all that poison ivy right there. Stay right the heck away from that. Oh, there's a boat going down river right now, so probably a little bit of pressure here, but that's all right. I think that we're gonna have to adjust this because the weight that I was using was a ½ ounce and this is only a ¼ ounce, but maybe with that bait it's a little bit closer to a half, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna make a couple adjustments and then we'll get to casting. I don't know, that feels pretty good to me, guys, so we'll see what happens if we bird's nest it. It's all good. It came off a little bit there. Might be good though. Oh. Well, there's the first bird's nest here. 3 hours later, we're getting back in it. Oh, whoa, what the heck? Looked like a really small bass just chased some kind of baby bait fish up here. That was interesting. I'm switching up on top of the fall, so it might get a little hard to hear me, but no luck down below. Hopefully we have better luck up here. Lovely, lots of trash. It's very loud up here. We got one. No kidding. I was just messing with a bird's nest. Started to reel in the line. There's our first fish. A little guy. That's adorable. Well, first one on this rod. Didn't even realize I had him until I started reeling in. All right, back to the water. Well, the rod works, and I guess this jig worked. Got one. Oh, right at the bottom. He's caught up, guys. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's not that big. Definitely bigger than the last one, though. All right, we're improving. I got him like, I don't know, right in this current here, right at the bottom of the falls. He's probably like a 1 pound fish or so. But hey, that's number 2. Let's get him back in there. Might actually take a couple casts from down here. This is a better vantage point. I can't believe he got tangled up in that little tree. I was trying to bring him back over to where I took up that other one. Nice, number 2. Oh, got another one. Dang, they're crushing this thing. They like this thing way more than that other one. Is this like a twin of the last one? Like a twin of the last one. Definitely a fat, odd body shape. Awesome, guys. Get him right back. Dang, number 3. Those last 2 were like 1 cast back to back. Oh, look at the osprey coming down. Holy crap. I don't think he got a fish. I hope I got that on camera. Oh, he's coming back around. He's flying right at me. Look at him. Look at the white head on him, the white underbody, guys. Oh, here he comes again. Oh, he's looking. He's watching something down there. Probably losing my jig right now, but I want to see this guy dive again. He came out of nowhere. I didn't see him down here at all. Those birds are big. Okay, that was awesome. It's been a long time since I've seen a osprey make a dive on a fish. Well, guys, I ended up only catching those 3 small bass, but I really enjoy fishing with that new Baitcaster. It is like super smooth of a rod, and I'm sure that there's ways that I could improve it and everything, but for what it is, just getting into it, I think it's a fantastic setup. I definitely think that we're going to do some more bass fishing videos in the future, guys, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please feel free to check out some of my other videos that I made on the channel recently, and also feel free to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos from me in the future. Remember, guys, live free, fish more.